So here we start the final of a carom. Okay, you both are ready.
Yes.
As the rule is mentioned, जैसा कि रूल आप लोगों को मेंशन किया हुआ है कि आप लोगों को 3 गेम खेलना है, जिसमें कि आप लोगों को 2 गेम जीतना है। ये कैरम में दिल्ली लॉन्ज में होगा 9 बॉल का, ठीक है। उस 3 में से जो 2 जीतेगा वो चैंपियन होगा, ठीक है ना। सो रोशन, कैन यू प्लीज शेयर द स्क्रीन?
हाँ कर रहे, 1 मिनट।
ओके। अगर आपको कोई इशू होगा तो सेकंड राउंड में फिर नेक्स्ट अपोनेंट शेयर कर देंगे। अगर आप इस राउंड में कर दीजिए। हाँ ठीक है। पहले आप बैक जाइए, फ्रेंड्स के ऑप्शन में आप जाइए रोशन। रोशन, ये गलत लग गया है। एक बार आप डायरेक्टली उसको बंद करके फिर से कैरम पूल में आइए। आपका फोन थोड़ा वर्क नहीं हो रहा है, इसलिए आप उसको पूरा क्लोज करके एक बार फिर से आप कैरम पूल में आइए। हाँ, यस यस, नाउ यू कैन चैलेंज। कैफ अख्तर, एम आई ऑडिबल टू यू?
Yes, sir.
कैफ अख्तर, द चैलेंज हैज बीन सेंड, यू जस्ट सी। आपके पास चैलेंज जा चुका है, एक बार आप देख लीजिए, उसे एक्सेप्ट कीजिए। या फिर नहीं तो आप जो है उनको दिल्ली लॉन्ज में भेजिए, आपके फ्रेंड में वो ऐड है।
नहीं करना पड़ेगा, बहुत ये हो रहा फोन में। हेलो।
1 मिनट आपका सेंड हो रहा है, 1 मिनट। वो 1 मिनट रुकना होगा, 1 मिनट, फिर से आपको चैलेंज का ऑप्शन आ जाएगा। यस, प्ले नाउ का ऑप्शन दाबिए।
Hello,
सो हाँ,
Aman.
यस रोहित, यस,
Am I audible?
यस, यस, यू आर
Your
ऑडिबल।
play is start, Aman.
यस,
Hello.
यस, यस।
So, first of all, we need to say something, guys. Can we do something?
यस, यस।
Because recording is also not started.
Recording is going on, as Saurabh said.
No, Saurabh. Guys, first stop the game because till now we are not doing something, guys. If
No,
possible,
no, this round, no, 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 no. Let this round be completed. Let this round be completed. It has already been started. Now you can tell anything.
Recording is going on. Please continue.
Yes, recording is going on, Rohit, from the beginning itself. Participants, the round will be 3. You have to win at least 2, so play well. All the best to both of you. Wow, what a game. Okay, the first round,
guys, wait
Roshan.
sometimes, please.
Yes.
Aman, wait. Saurabh, anything is happening because can you stop the screen recording?
सर फिर से
Oh, wait a minute, Saurabh. First of all, we will discuss what we need. Saurabh, can you start the meet recording if possible?
Good evening, all my core team members and my dear friends, participants. Today we are gathered here for playing Carom. My name is Lakshita and I am here on behalf of Prabha core team to welcome you all for this qualifying round of second and that is final. Now I welcome both my friend Intikab Alam and Usaid Hassan in this game. Both of them are very hardworking, polite and sweet. They are giving their 100% so that the game will be successfully played. I want to say something about Carom. Life is like a carom. Each coin represents your goal. Striker represents your aim of your effort to hit the coin. Hole represents whether you can achieve it or not. So to achieve your goals, imagine your goal, believe your heart with faith. Achieve it with all your focus and talents. ये था हमारा इंग्लिश में एंड मैं कुछ कहना चाहती हूँ हमारे पार्टिसिपेंट के लिए 2 लाइन शायरी हिंदी में। कदर करते हैं हम आपकी, कदर करते हैं हम आपकी इसलिए आपके नखरे झेलते हैं। कदर करते हैं हम आपकी इसलिए आपके नखरे झेलते हैं, वरना जिस पाउडर से आप मेकअप करती हैं उससे तो हम लड़के कैरम खेलते हैं। This line dedicates to all the boys. And now, Rohit, you can proceed.
Hello, good evening, everyone, and congratulations to the Rohan and Roshan and Khalif Akhtar for their final round. And we are here to congratulate to all our core team member and Oshad and Intikhab Alam to their hard work. They are doing very hard for their current, which is ongoing today. And all the core team member on the behalf of Prava Tech Fest, they are doing also very hard work because the core team member, this event is not possible. So that's why we are thankful to our all the core team member. So now it's time to start the camp. So Aman, you can proceed.
Thanks, ma'am, and Rohit, for the amazing words that you have spoken. So now we can start the match. So Roshan, please start the match.
Okay.
All the best to you guys. You have played very well in the last round. Do focus on your games and try to win. All the best. So you guys are playing very well. And listen, if the network connectivity goes, it's your responsibility that it has already been mentioned. If the opponent wins due to a network connectivity, then the opponent will wins. Lastly, this is that the other one will share the screen in a next game. Roshan, I think the opponent has won this game. So 1-1 has been cleared. Now you can stop sharing. The opponent will share the screen.
Okay.
Because due to connectivity, you have lost this game. So the other opponent, please, Mohammad Kaif Akhtar, please share the screen. And this one is the final.
Okay.
Kaif Akhtar, just please share the screen. Am I audible to
एक
all of you?
यस सर
Am I
एक मिनट रुकिए
okay? Kaif Akhtar, just share the screen. Guys, there is a three dot at the end. Near the mic button, you had a three dot. Just please share the screen. Just accept it. Abhi Roshan is sending you. Cap, just accept it. There is an option, play now. Guys, this is the final round, and the winner of this round will be champion of it. Either the connectivity is low or anything problem is coming, then the winner will be winner.
Cafe Akhtar, you are doing very good job. Please continue it.
Both the participants can win a game playing very well. Just do it well. All the participants, you both are playing really very well. So here we get a champion. Avi Roshan is the champion.
Roshan,
Congratulations,
Roshan,
Roshan.
Sirf Roshan.
Okay, Roshan, congratulations for being a
Thank you.
champion. Kaf Akhtar, don't be sad. It's just a game. You have played so well. Both of you have given a tough competition, and congratulations. At last, congratulations to the winner. So here we get uh, three final. First champion is Roshan. Second, Kaf Akhtar. And third is Yusuf Khurshid. So congratulations to all the winners. You have played so very well. So thank you.
Thank you.